Good morning, students. Today we are going to do back exercise of lesson number 5, verb. You have already seen the video explanation of the chapter. Now it's time to do back exercise. So let's begin. Page number 32, question number 1. Now you have to match the right verb with each noun to make a short sentence. So nouns and verbs are given in two columns, column A and column B. You have to match right verb which matches with the nouns in column A and write a proper sentence. Like for example, an aeroplane flies. So the first sentence is the wind. Now what does the wind do? It blows. So the sentence becomes the wind blows. Next is bells. Now what do bells do? Revolves, sew, blows, sweep, ring. Bells ring. So the sentence becomes bells ring. Next is the earth. So what does earth do? It revolves. So the sentence becomes the earth revolves. Needles. Needles, what do needles do? They sew. So needles sew. Brooms. Now what do brooms do? Brooms is jharu. Brooms sweep. Next question is fill in the blanks with suitable verbs. Now these are there are blanks given and you have to fill these blanks with suitable verbs. Like birds dash nest. Now what do birds do with nest? They build nest. Next, trams run on tracks. So what do trams do? On tracks they run. Can you dash a bicycle? What do you do with a bicycle? You ride a bicycle. So can you ride a bicycle? Next is flowers dash in the garden. Now what do flowers do in the garden? They bloom. Dash. We dash with our tongue. What do we do with our tongue? We taste with our tongue. So page number 34. Identify the verbs in the given sentences. You have to tell whether they are transitive or intransitive verb. Now what are transitive and intransitive verb? Transitive verb is a verb which needs an object to make complete sense. Basically they answer the question what. And intransitive verbs are those verbs that needs no object to complete the sense. So first is the smoke rises. So as you can see, it is making complete sense on its own. There is no need for any object. So it's an intransitive verb. Next is the water is boiling. Again, it makes complete sense. It doesn't need an object. So it's an intransitive verb. Next is rabbits run fast. Now it needs an object. Fast is an object here. So this is a transitive verb. Rest of the parts you will do it on your own. Next question is, can you fit these nouns and verbs into the following sentences? Now one side nouns are given and the next other side verbs are given. You have to fit these nouns and verbs into the following. So first sentence is Rahul dashed the ball with a dash. Rahul hits the ball with a bat. Hits is verb and bat is noun. Second is the gardener dashed the garden with a spade. Again the gardener digs the garden with a spade. Digs is verb and spade is a noun. Mother boils the water in a bottle. Again boils is verb and bottle is noun. Rest of the parts you will do it yourself. I'll share the answers in evening so you can check your answers. Page number 37. Question is rewrite the following sentences by changing the verb into past tense. So the verb given is in present tense and you have to change it into past tense. First is he rings the bell. So it rings became rang. So sentence becomes he rang the bell. Next is birds fly in the sky. Fly becomes flew. So birds flew in the sky. Rest of the parts do it yourself. Next is add ing to the following verbs. There are words given and you have to add ing to them and make a new word. So this is to be done as homework. Question number 3. Fill in the most appropriate option from the following verbs. There are 4 options given and you have to choose the correct option for the sentence. So you should dash 5 glasses of water daily. Options are drank, drink, drunk and drinking. So the right option is drink. You should drink 5 glasses of water daily. Next is birds dash away after hearing the noise. Birds flew away after hearing the noise. Again, rest of the parts do it yourself. Next is page number 39, churn your mind. So, first is I dash at 6 a.m. What do you do at 6 a.m.? You wake up at 6 a.m. Second is I am going to dash a cake. I am going to bite a cake. Fourth is dash up, stand up. Sixth is let's dash a movie. Let's watch a movie. Eighth is dash down your book. Put down your book. 10th is I dash books at night. I read books at night. 12th is I dash my teeth every day. I brush my teeth every day. 14 is I dash the bus to school. I take the bus to school. This is all in across. Now down. First is I have to dash my face and hand. I have to wash my face and hand. Third is I dash pizza every Tuesday. I eat pizza every Tuesday. Fifth is I have to dash my work. I have to do my work. Seventh is I am going to dash some dragonflies. I am going to catch some dragonflies. 9 is I want to dash basketball. I want to play basketball. 11th is I dash my car to work. I drive my car to work. And the last is dash down, sit down. So that's all in the back exercise. Do it, and I'll share the answers in the evening so that you can check your answers.